Hey guys, welcome back to your boy Destination Trucker. Thanks for tuning in to another video. I'm on my way right now to Tim Hortons, which I'm going to swing up here. I'm going to grab a coffee, and then after I grab a coffee, I'm going to go back and we're going to take a look at this Honda Civic I got there and maybe clean some of that stuff off. Just kind of do a couple things to pass the time. The dog shitting there on the side of the road. Or was trying to. The lady just pulled her. Maybe it was a female dog peeing. But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna try and create some content here. Do a couple things that I need to get done. I went out yesterday to start the car. It would not start. The battery was dead because we've had some cold weather the last couple of days, and she's been pretty cold. So, if the car's just sitting there, like I was starting it up and letting it run for maybe 10 minutes, but like, if you're not riding that car and you're just starting it, it's not gonna. It's not giving that battery the full charge it needs because it's only at idle, right? So, unfortunately, I had to boost it again, but I didn't get that on film. I just did it, and I need to invest in one of those booster packs instead of having my cables. I mean, my cables are good, but the booster pack could be 10 times better. So, anyways, we're just at Tim Hortons. I'm going to grab a coffee. We'll see you in a sec. Alright, folks, so I made it back to the house, and we are out at the car now. And as you can see on the ground, we still got the snow. And there's a lot of ice on the back of the car now. So, that sucks. I mean, the weather is nice out, so that helps. But I wish that it would clear up so I can actually do some work to this, because I gotta tear this whole back apart, but I don't want to do it in this weather for two reasons. One is, I mean, it's just an invitation if I open it up to mice or whatever, right? So, and the other reason is I don't want to open it up and then have a big snowstorm or something, and I don't know. But let's give her a start here, see if we can get her to start off the remote. It should. Fire it up. That's a good sign. Good sign. I still gotta get this stuff off, but like I said, I want to do it all at once, right? Like I guess it's not that hard to get off. I could probably scrape it off and then just take some washer fluid, or not washer fluid, but Windex, and give her a wipe after I scrape her. She cleans up pretty quick if I don't know why they I don't know what that is. Is that like anybody know what that is? Comment below. Let me know. What is it, like soapstone or something? Yeah, that's what it almost seems like, hey? But I don't know what it is, but like, I don't know. I would say why don't they use now washable markers, but if it rained it'd wash it right off. That's, I don't know, why don't they just use like the sticker, like the sticker they had here? Why couldn't they just use stickers like, they put the kilometers on it. Why can't you just put a sticker? And I don't know what this here is too, but anyways, I sound like I'm complaining. This bad boy, I can't wait to get this out. I think we decided we're going to keep it, and we're going to someone left a bike there, I guess. I don't know. I should move that out of there. Someone must have stole a bike and fucking left it there. It's not my problem. I'm not touching it. You know, what I should do is put it out here though, in case someone does see it and they can come and get it, and you know, like, I don't know. Call the cops first thing they'd investigate. I'd be the one fucking they blame it on or something if it was stolen, which it probably is. If it's sitting there, it's probably stolen, right? They'd probably blame it on me. Yeah. That's the way it goes. Yeah, but I gotta get this camper. I gotta check it out. Like, I don't know if anybody can notice, but I think I might have a bad wheel bearing on one of these wheels here. I don't know. It's hard to see. Maybe you guys can see, but if you look at it, like one wheel looks like it's straight up and the other looks like it's bent out on the top, kind of. So I gotta get under and look at that and check it all out. I'm gonna grease it all too, right? Because probably hasn't been done. I probably got the radio going in this thing, and I had to reset that again too. What, the fucking thing not gonna unlock for me now, is it? There we go. No, the radio isn't on. The heat is blasting though. That's for sure. The radio don't work when you use the remote. Let's turn that down. That's loud. Man, oh man, I can't wait till the spring and they get this all fixed up. Get her back on the road. That'll be the fun part. Get her back out on the road, and you know, I'll probably drive this for a good little bit before I turn around and flip it and sell it, right? Why wouldn't I? You know, cheap on fuel, great little car. That way I'm not racking up the truck kilometers. You know, I don't know, we'll see. I don't know. Someone comes to me, you know, I'll put it on there, but I'll put it on there for sale, but I'll drive it until someone buys it, right? You know what I mean? So, and when they kind of lowball me and try to scam me, I'll be like, man, I don't need to sell this, right? Because I don't need to sell it, you know. It's a good little car, man. You know, it'll definitely serve someone's life a lot better. I don't know. Maybe I might even, I don't know what I'll do with it. You know, there's options I could do with it, so we'll see. But anyways, let's shut that off. I'm gonna try and get some more of this stuff off. Maybe I should go grab the paper towel and we'll see if we can get this stuff off. So let me do that there, and we'll see you in a sec. All right, folks. So it looks like we got her all done here. Looks a lot better there in front of her. Actually see my glare in it now. We got all that off. I still got to get this here out of the windshield here. Basically, just a sticker, you know. That's a damaged motor vehicle clearance. Anyways, it's all off the sides, it's all off the front here. We got it all cleaned off. Now what I need to do is, the next step is to wash the thing, right? Get it all cleaned. Basically the back is the most. Let's throw that in there. Swing this back. around over here. Sorry folks, I just want to put that back right quick. Yeah, the next thing is basically, the main thing is I gotta get this here all washed out, right? I gotta get this washed out, this crash bar, so that I can get in at the bolts, take the bolts out, so I can take this off, and then I'll be able to get to that, right? Because, I mean, it'll be so easy once I get to it. It'd be so easy to do this. Well, I shouldn't say it'd be so easy. It'll be easy enough that I can get her done, right? That's the main thing. Get her done. Get this thing done and back on the road. You know, I don't know. I should take a picture of it and see what they have to say about it. Buddy was driving it, but you know what I mean? Until insurance decided to write it off because it cost too much to repair it. So, anyways, I'll break that light. I'll be so mad if I do something stupid like that. Anyways, we got that stuff cleaned off. It wasn't a big deal, but it was something that needed to be done. It helped. It created content, because it is so hard to make content, because I don't have to do nothing. You know, like I said to the wife, I said, like, you know, like, the weather's been terrible, so it's hard to get out here to even do anything. And not just here, but even to go anywhere to do anything. Like, there's nothing really to do. I don't have a lot of content that I can make, and you know, you can only watch me do so much to this car before it's like, okay, but when are you gonna fix it, right? So with that said, that's gonna be it for that car until I fix it. You know, the next video will be taking that apart and whatever. I don't know. I'll have to go to the junkyard too. I still have to get a bumper, but I've been looking. There hasn't been nothing there, so you know, it's been tough to even go there. And the fact that last thing I want to be doing is digging around the scrapyard with other people that could be infected with some kind of thing, right? You know, I don't know. Comment below. What do you think my best thing to do is stay in the house, relax, not have to worry about anything? Anyways, folks, with that said, this is going to be a wrap. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget, give it that thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. We'll see you on the next one.